Hello everyone, welcome to Nissan Creations. I have applied my passport renewal in Tatkaal Mode online. Let's check my experience. Uh, I have applied my passport renewal online on December 2nd. I got appointment for the document verification on December 9th and my passport is received on December 12th. It's very fast process. To renew your passport in Tatkaal Mode, you have to fill the online application in the government website. So passportindia.gov.in. Yeah. So you can sign up with your Gmail ID and later you can log in with your Gmail ID either with the passport or you can go with an OTP option as well. Once you enter OTP, you will log into the Passport Seva website. You can select the reissue of your passport and you can select an option validity expired within 3 years or due to expire. You can fill all your personal details, address details. Yeah, you have to fill all PAN card details and Aadhaar details, education details. Yeah, you can continue filling this application until you generate an online submission form. So to renew this passport under Tatkaal, I have selected 60 pages, so I have paid 4,000 rupees. So once you pay the payment, you will finally get an option to download your online application form. You have to download this application receipt and carry it to the passport office. These are the documents I have carried: Aadhaar card as an address proof, PAN card and voter ID. So PAN card, they are checking, especially father name has to be there on the PAN card. Yeah, so each of your document it needs to be photocopy and attested. So carry your old passport and also online printed application form because it has a QR code. They will scan it. Yeah, so my passport verification appointment is on December 9th in Begumpet office. So you have to arrive on time. Yeah, the verification process will undergo like biometric verification, fingerprints, photo. All this happens in a Begumpet passport office. Yeah, so I have received my original passport on December 12th, just 3 days after the document verification. You can keep tracking your passport application online as well in the government website. Yeah, thanks for watching.